it's Toby with the mortgage firm, and I want to show you this great new business that's in downtown Punta Gorda. The location is in the greenhouse at 308 Sullivan Street, which is where the front of the office, where the boutique is now, had been my office, and I'm in the side suite now, and I'm super excited about a Splash of Madness Coastal Boutique that has come in. So I want to show you what they've got and let you meet Tracy, who is the owner of the store. So come on in with me and let's take a look. Hey, I want to introduce you to Tracy, who has Splash of Madness, a coastal boutique, and we're going to go through and highlight a few things. This is a great new store downtown. Tracy.
Yes.
Oh, let's see. So we're in the porch right now of the greenhouse on Sullivan Street. We're in the porch. And this is your man and pets section.
Pets on the porch.
And I see some really cute boxer shorts over there for gifts.
Loungers.
Brief Insanity. And I love those, what would you call those? Hammock chairs that are over here.
Hammock chairs and pillows, and most of the things that we have in here are by either local artists, or at least I try to make U.S. Our pillows are indoor-outdoor pillows, and they're made by a Florida artist.
Oh, that's great. So put them out on the lanai, on the furniture?
Yeah,
on the lanai?
a lot of them zip, so just wash them. And
okay, great. Let's go inside, because there's a couple of really fun things in here to see. Okay, so you got candles galore.
Yes, and they're not just candles. They're water candles.
I see.
So
they sound so
they're
nice.
flameless. And they're battery operated with a remote, and they're real wax. And they just come in all these colors.
They sound so calming.
They do. And
very
they
nice. And okay, so, and I know these have been super popular.
Very popular. It's where you live. It's where we live. So it's local. And people come in and say, that's my house, or that's my street. And they come in 6 colors.
And a couple different sizes. I think I saw a couple sizes.
5 sizes.
5 sizes,
yes.
Okay.
So come and stop in and check out and see if you can find out where you live.
Okay, we're going to room number 3, I guess this would be. Behind room number 3.
You're familiar with this.
We've got your sips and dips that I know you've been bragging about how good those sips are.
Yeah, so at the art fairs, we have them out for samples, and then we're going to, in December, do the walk for the downtown.
You'll be participating in that walk. That's fantastic.
And these are
really fun.
Our sips and our dips, and they're really fun. Alcohol, ladies.
Okay, tell us about this section.
Always
here.
been into health and beauty, and so for 40 years have done the health and beauty industry, and this is Kratom, and it's for every kind of anxiety that you have. So if you need
Hurricane Ian wouldn't have created any anxiety, right?
If you need to calm down, or if you need to focus, or if you need energy, that's what that's for. Over here, it's indium. A lot of people aren't familiar with indium, but what indium is for is your hormones. And so it balances your hormones. And I'm very happy to say that I've been on it for 6 years, and I don't put color on my hair anymore.
That's natural color?
That's all natural color because of the indium, because it balances out your copper. And your copper in your hair brings your color back.
Okay. I'm coughing because I didn't have any water. And I don't want to stop to go get some water. So, oh, wait.
Another room.
4. Wait. Clothes galore. Fun coastal.
Ladies come in here and get lost. I don't see them for a little while because they go out the back room and go try things on.
Yes.
So thing that's really big is pockets. Everybody wants pockets. These adjust their pants. They have pockets. Dresses, we have dresses, they have pockets. So really important. I've listened to the customer, and hopefully it's shown. And they come in here and they have fun because prices are very affordable, and that's what we're trying to do here.
And I see you got some cute little lounger pants.
Oh, yeah, lounger. Oh, again, alcohol, ladies.
Let's go to room number, we'll be on 5. Let's see. Oh, I think, okay, so here we have more clothes. This is the part dressing room, part more clothes.
Because we didn't have room for them, but those are so popular, they fly out the door. So they have room. They come in 2 separate size pieces. So you can wear this under something you already own, or you can just put this on with some leggings. So they come in 6 colors.
Oh, that's really cute. Okay, we're going to save room number 6 for another post because there's some really super cool things in there. In the greenhouse at 308 Sullivan Street, right in downtown Punta Gorda. And Tracy, tell them your phone number.
Our phone number is 941-363-1276 at 308 The Greenhouse on Sullivan. Thanks.
See y'all.
Bye-bye.